Today I'm discussing the idea of testing air conditioning capacitors. This is dual capacitors, leaving the common connected. Now, the question is there interference that happens, and just exploring the possibilities. Lord willing, I'll be bringing a bunch more videos on this type of research coming
Welcome
soon.
back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. We'll go for another round of fun on these capacitors and checking the electrical side, doing the preventative maintenance on a little bit cooler day, a little overcast, and just gonna, get things while I can. Got one with no cover over here. I'm fixing that up. So things straight and making things as right as I can. After him today, try to catch these little bit cooler days when I can. Still, it was warm. Yesterday was 84 degrees and it's kind of humid, so today isn't that hot yet. It's maybe 77, something like that, so I'll take it while I can. This one is a 40/5. Got hard start kit on there, that's good. Discharger capacitor. Capacitor holds a charge in it even after the power is disconnected. And today what I was gonna try is if we just take off the Herm and the fan. Those are both the start wires. It's kind of the start wire for the fan and the start wire for the compressor. And then this one on the Herm had one lead on the hard start kit. And what I was going to test is, do we get, my unit's not bad or anything, I'm just doing the preventative maintenance, but can we test that? Can we get a good test on that without disconnecting all the wires, without disconnecting the common wires, because it's not really, shouldn't be necessary if we've got one side. Now, there's some thought that you get a cleaner read if you disconnect everything, but I'm going to see if is that a myth or is it valid? Okay. So here's our microfarad setting, and we're going to go common to Herm. 39.75, so that's good. And then common to fan. .94, and that's good. So actually we didn't need to disconnect the common. And just for proof, I can disconnect this one and show that. Before I do that, I wanted to measure the hard start kit. So the hard start kit, yesterday I was testing them, showed about 50 on a new one. Trying to get a good read here. It's being stubborn on me. Gonna need to insert this better. There we go. 53.6, so that's good. Okay. And now, just to prove this out, I'm going to show that we really don't need to disconnect the common. I'm going to do it on this one just to show you. Okay, it's all disconnected. So now we'll redo our reading, going common to Herm and common to fan.
So I hope to be bringing a lot more videos on this particular subject, HVAC research, and the ways things can or can't be done. Here's our Herm 39.75, 77, and then fan common. .92. Yep. So that's that. So now I'll reconnect everything. And what I do want to check is that all my connections are tight. So it's not necessarily a bad thing disconnecting everything. Then I can get a read on how my connections are. Herm, which is the start wire for the compressor. Other side of the hard start kit, and here's our common going to the fan. All right, all set there. We're good. Okay. This one has a compressor protector on the cover, so it's a done deal. I'll reset my cover. I could push in the contact, but I didn't change anything, so I know it's good. And that one had that compressor protector on the cover, which is a nice feature, but it does make it a little harder to manually test it, which is okay. Tested good on this one. All right. And that answers the question, do you need to disconnect everything in order to test it? But it doesn't hurt to follow up. If it did test bad, you're going to disconnect it anyway. So then you can disconnect it at that point for the common part. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.